yachts, mine's packs in my rap from the block to the back. When my in the trap, G's around a couple yachts.
Alright, so I literally just got the Honda Pilot back from the mechanic and it decided to snow like crazy. And the craziest part is I haven't even started it yet. Whew. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little nervous. Okay, so before I turn the key, I gotta show you guys exactly what happened to this thing, because for a second there, I thought I dug myself into a huge hole. So when I dropped it off, I really didn't think it was gonna be that serious. I mean, just by looking at it, it's not that bad. The body panels, they're scuffed up, but most of them can just be replaced. Those are simple to get. Everything honestly looks surface level for the most part. All these panels can just be replaced. So from the outside, it doesn't look horrible. The interior is clean. All of the doors latch pretty good, so I'm pretty sure they're all still in good position. Just have to pop the new ones on. And I keep seeing these ROK stickers all over the car. I'm honestly wondering what they even mean. No cracks in the headliner. That looks clean. At this point, I would definitely say I'm feeling pretty confident. All right, so now we finally have a chance to look under the car. So let's get under there and check out exactly what we think happened. So it looks like the main damage hit right here. Thankfully, it seems like it was low. We also pointed out the steering rack, so we probably will need a alignment when we're done, and then the brake hose. So we're probably gonna have to bleed the brakes and get some pressure again in the brakes. Hey, what's up?
How you doing, bro?
Good. How you doing? This is crazy.
Yeah, that's crazy. Yeah.
How do you think this happened?
It's working.
It's working like this?
You need to change this part for the car, but I thinking about the dry shot is working.
All right, cool. Now let's check out the other side. Transfer case in the back looks good. I don't see anything wrong with the transfer case. And these must be like the tow lights. This bar is crunched. The transmission looks solid. There's no oil down here. So front side, not bad, but might take a little more than I planned. And I was feeling pretty good about the build until a couple hours later, after we got the cross member down, I got a phone call to get back to the shop ASAP, and we found this out. Looks good. It looks solid. There's no oil. Yeah, worst case scenario. The transmission is broken. The tabs are ripped in multiple places, and the case is cracked. That's when I knew that one of my worst case scenarios had come true. And the reason why that's such a big deal is because the transmission is basically the middleman between the engine and the wheels. The engine can make all the power in the world, but without the transmission doing its job, that power goes nowhere. So when the case is cracked and the mounting tabs are ripped, this stops being a simple bolt-on fix. This is the kind of problem that can stop a build completely, and that's not what I wanted to hear. Guys, after that absolutely devastating trip to the shop, I'm on the computer trying to see what I can find for a used transmission. but I just figured let's call the dealership to see exactly how much a brand new transmission is so we know how deep of a problem we're really in.
1 for sales, 2 for service, 3 for parts. On the parts is Alex. How can I help you?
Hey Alex, I was just wondering how much it would be for transmission for a 25 Honda Pilot Elite.
Yeah, let me see that here. Obviously, transmission is a special order with this car.
Yeah.
So the price on, give me 1 second here. Yeah, because the price with here with the transmission alone, nothing else, no other like gas, just spare transmission is $13,105 just for that one. And obviously, you know, if you come in here with like insurance or whatever warranty, you know, we figured out here with one of the like service advisors.
Yeah, okay, so it would be 13,000 pretty much?
Correct, yeah.
Okay.
And yeah, that's you know, obviously from Honda, you know, whether that's really what we recommend with like especially newer vehicles like this.
Okay.
Like OE.
All right, thank you. I just wanted to know exactly how much it would be, so I appreciate the information.
Of course.
Thank you.
Yeah, man. All right.
Bye. And that's when I knew I had a decision to make, because no way was I paying 13 grand on one part for one build. Not this build. So instead, I went a different route. I found a basically brand new transmission with only 6K miles on it. And the craziest part is we only paid $2,500. So in my book, I think that was a great grab. Way better than $13,000. All right, so as you can see, we have the vision board out and I am in my trusty quarter zip. So you know things are getting super freaking serious. Right here is the parts plan. So the parts on this list is just to get the Pilot started and driving. So as you guys already know, we scored huge on the trans. So trans all set. We're all good on that. Next, we got to get the subframe, we got to get the drive shaft, and then we have to get the front knee ASS assembly. Not what you think. Front knee assembly. So those are the next major parts. So we're going to start hunting down these parts. Hopefully we find them for a deal. We're going to get them and we're going to bring them back to the Pilot so we can get this build moving forward as fast as possible. So I haven't started it since we got back. If it starts right now, that's a huge win. If it doesn't, then things really get interesting. So you guys know we've already invested time, a lot of effort, and a lot of money on this Pilot. So right now, we're gonna find out if it was all worth it. All right, see you late. Oh my God, we finally got the car to start. That was absolutely amazing, guys. I had to shut it off right away because the coolant line is not connected, but this was a great win for us moving forward. We finally got it started. The next step is to completely finish the car. I'm talking doors, airbags, everything. We have everything. We're gonna pop it into the car. I really hope this pilot doesn't throw any more surprises my way. All right, thank you guys so much for watching all the way to the end. There's still a couple surprises, so make sure you guys sub up so you see everything else that we run into on this build. If you thought we did a good job on the video, hit a like, and if you want other people to see the video, share it out. We have more videos coming, so stay tuned. Catch you later. Peace.